Welcome back to SK Car World, everyone. If you're a fan of American muscle cars, today's video is going to hit all the right notes. We're diving into full details on the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, a modern-day revival of one of the most iconic muscle cars in automotive history. Buckle up, because this isn't just a reskin of an old legend, it's a complete rebirth, and Chevy is aiming to turn heads all over again. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Chevelle SS doesn't just whisper retro, it screams it, but with a modern twist. It pays tribute to the classic Chevelles of the late 60s and early 70s with a bold, muscular stance, wide body lines, and an aggressive front fascia that demands attention. At the front, you'll find a split grille design flanked by slim LED headlights that give it a menacing stare, while the sculpted hood features functional heat extractors that are as purposeful as they are stylish. Move to the side and you'll notice the classic fastback profile has been reimagined for the modern era. The fender flares are pronounced, giving it that planted, performance-oriented look. 20-inch forged alloy wheels come standard, with optional 21-inch wheels available on higher trims. Around back, quad exhaust tips hint at the power beneath the hood, and a sleek, modern LED tail light design adds a touch of sophistication without losing the muscle car attitude. Under the hood is where the 2026 Chevelle SS really comes alive. This beast is powered by a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine producing a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. That's right, Chevy didn't come to play. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, though purists will be happy to hear that a 6-speed manual is available on select trims. The result, a 0 to 60 time of just under 3.6 seconds, putting it in competition with some serious sports cars but with that raw American muscle feel. Chevy has also focused heavily on the driving experience. The suspension setup is performance-tuned with adaptive dampers, giving you the choice between comfort and aggression at the push of a button. Magnetic ride control helps keep things stable at high speeds, and launch control ensures you get maximum grip when it's time to light up the rear tires. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, but an all-wheel drive version is rumored to be in development, possibly for a future performance package. Inside, the 2026 Chevelle SS blends retro cues with modern technology. You'll find sport bucket seats wrapped in leather and suede, with contrast stitching and SS badging throughout the cabin. The dashboard is dominated by a 12.3-inch digital driver display and a massive 13.4-inch infotainment screen, both of which are highly customizable. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, as do voice-activated navigation, over-the-air updates, and a premium 12-speaker Bose audio system. And if you're worried about comfort, don't be. The Chevelle SS offers heated and ventilated front seats, dual-zone climate control, ambient lighting, and even a heads-up display so you can keep your eyes on the road during spirited driving. There's also a driver performance data recorder, so you can track your lap times and G-forces if you decide to take it to the track, which, let's be honest, you probably will. In terms of safety, the Chevelle SS is loaded. Forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control are all part of the standard safety suite. There's also a 360-degree camera system to help you park this wide machine with confidence, and night vision assist is available on the top trim, helping you spot obstacles or animals in low light conditions. Now, a lot of people are wondering, is this really a Chevelle? And that's a fair question. The original Chevelle was a staple of the muscle car world back in the 60s and 70s. It was raw, loud, unapologetic, and came in a variety of body styles including coupes, sedans, and even wagons. The new 2026 Chevelle SS is clearly aiming for that same spirit, but brought into the 21st century with modern tech, safety, and comfort. Pricing hasn't been officially confirmed yet, but industry insiders expect it to start around $55,000 for the base SS model and climb to around $75,000 for the fully loaded performance variant. Considering what you're getting, 650 horsepower, retro modern styling, and cutting-edge tech, it's not a bad deal in today's market. So who is the 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle SS for? It's for enthusiasts who miss the golden age of American muscle but want something that can still handle modern roads and modern rivals. It's for drivers who want a car that turns heads at a stoplight and backs it up with real performance. And most of all, it's for anyone who wants to feel connected to a legacy, but not be trapped in the past. Let me know in the comments, is the Chevelle SS a worthy revival of a classic nameplate, or do you think Chevy should be left it in the history books? Either way, this car is going to be a conversation starter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews, news, and deep dives. Until next time, keep your foot on the gas and your eyes on the road.